Look who's here! SpongeBob and Patrick! Hello everybody! Today we're going to color SpongeBob and his best friend Patrick. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. What color is SpongeBob, kids? What do you think? Great! It's yellow, just like your real sea sponge. Let's get started. Take your yellow color and color with me. It's so much fun. Look at him. He seems so happy. I love SpongeBob. How about you? Do you love him? He is so funny and kind. Great job, you guys. Now that we are done, don't forget to color his hands and legs too. What color are they? Yes, nice guessing. They are yellow. Very good. Kids, look. SpongeBob has bright blue eyes. Yes, they are blue. Very good. Look at his tongue. What color should we use for his tongue? Here, I'm using my pink color. Okay. Look, SpongeBob has a red tie. I love his tie. It's so small and cute. Now, what color should we make SpongeBob's SquarePants? Look at that. I know. Brown is right. A classic pair of brown SquarePants. Amazing! You are doing a perfect job. You know what? I love coloring with you. Yay! We did it! Now, it's time to color Patrick. Patrick is a starfish, and starfish are usually light pink. Yes. Do you have a light pink? I do. Let's get started. Look at Patrick with that big, beautiful smile. He is so happy. Wow, you are doing an amazing job. Nice. Now, don't forget to color Patrick's legs too. What color are they? Yes, they are light pink. Patrick loves his polka dot shorts. Let's color his shorts with purple polka dots. Yes. Do you have purple color? Amazing! Now let's color color his shorts with our green color. Yes, green. So, Patrick is light pink with purple and green shorts. Excellent! We did it! To color with us again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon!